Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to track your trophy progress on the PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if you're playing a game on the PlayStation 5 and you want to go ahead and track the trophy progress, well, this is very easy to do with the new PlayStation 5's feature. So if I'm on the home screen here and I go up to my profile, or if I press the PlayStation button and go to the control center, I can go to my profile here, and then I can go to trophies. Now in this example, I'm going to use Astro's Playroom. I'm going to select this, and then I'm going to go ahead and choose a trophy I want to track. Now let's go to Do It right here. Select X on this, and then I can go to Start Tracking. Now I can track 5 trophies at a time. Now that I'm tracking this, I can open up the game. So if I don't have a game open and I press the PlayStation button, I won't see any trophies listed under here. Now when I have the game open and I press the PlayStation button, I can go over to the trophy tracker right here and select this. And I can view all my trophies that I'm tracking. So you can see Do It is currently listed 1 of 5. And I can go to Manage Trophy Tracker right here. And then I can choose more. So let's choose 5 of them. So I'm just going to select 5 of them and go to OK. Now I can see everything under this list. So I can easily access this again. It's just on the activity bar right here above my control center. It says Trophy Tracker. And then I can go to Pin to Side right here. I can pin it to the side of my gameplay. Now this is kind of cool. However, it does kind of shrink your game, and that can get a little bit annoying. But if you are looking for like detailed information on your trophy as you play, well, you can easily go ahead and achieve these and see what you need to do in real time. And then you can double press the PlayStation button and open this back up. And then you can go to Pin to Side and exit it. But this is the easiest way to track your trophies as you play. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.